How to change WhatsApp theme on iPhone. Keep watching. Open WhatsApp on your device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and tap on the chat section from the settings page. At the top of the screen, tap on the default chat theme option. Select from pre-existing themes or customize your own by tapping on the wallpaper option. After selecting the desired wallpaper, a preview will appear. Adjust the theme color by clicking on it at the bottom left. Select a color and close this menu. Set the background brightness by tapping on the moon icon and adjusting the brightness. Finally, swipe to change the background picture until you're satisfied. Look at the top right corner and tap Set to save your changes. Now go back to your chat list. Open any conversation to see your new theme in action. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.